This is a brief review of the BIOSIS database. The easiest way to get to BIOSIS is through the library's homepage. Click on Databases, and Databases by Subject, Biology is listed, and BIOSIS is right at the top. BIOSIS is a biological research database that includes methods, animal studies, and a lot more. You should already be familiar with the way BIOSIS searches. When you enter in a string of words, like gene expression of P. infestans, the database automatically assumes that you want results that have those words in the exact same order that they were entered in. So it's looking for all 5 of these words in this order. So now when I hit my Submit Search button, I get this result that says, my term did not match any records. You can check your spelling, but you might believe that there's nothing in this database that's relevant to you because you didn't get any results. More advanced searches use the word and or to connect your keywords. So instead of gene expression of P. infestans, if you change of to or, it'll search for the phrase gene expression or the phrase P. infestans. If you use the word and, it looks for both of those terms together. And since I want gene expression of P. infestans, that's why I'm using and instead of or, because I want both of them. So now I went from 0 results to 81 results. So now at least I have something to work with. I'm going to go back to my search form because you can use and or to make your search really effective. For example, when I type in gene expression or genetics, that's a really easy way for me to broaden my search because or searches for both or either of those terms. And then I could do and P. infestans here if I wanted to. Oops. But what I like to do is all of my phrases I can break down on each box. So now I can type in P. infestans or the full name and search in all fields. So I'm going to search one more time. So now I've gone from about 81 results to about 1,800 results. From here, you can limit to English only if you want. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you can see that that knocked out about 300 different results. One really nice thing is you can search just within these results. So let's say I'm looking for a particular enzyme in relation to the gene expression of P. infestans. I can just search in my current results. I'm searching in all fields, and now I'm going to submit my search. So I went from 81 to about 1,800, back to 1,400. Now I'm at 43 results. So I feel like I've done a broad enough search, and then I've narrowed it down to be specific enough where it's relevant to me. So now what I can do is sort by most recent records, year, relevance, author, whatever's most helpful to you, or you can actually start clicking on the records. So this is a record in my results list. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to read through the abstract and realize that, wow, this is really helpful. I want the full text. Then you can click on this Find It with OLinks button, and that takes you to the link if we have it available for free through our PDF full text or HTML full text. When I go back to my results list, I realize that, okay, I'm also really interested in this second record through the Journal of Microbiology and Biotechnology, but I don't see any link up here in yellow. There's nothing in print. You can attempt to find this article at the publisher's website, but that usually isn't very helpful. But that doesn't mean that you can't get it. You can click on this, get a copy via interlibrary loan, and you can either create an account or log in. And what's really nice about this feature is if you can click through that Find It with OLinks button, it automatically fills in all the fields for you, and then you can just submit your request. So it's really fast, and most of the time it's delivered electronically to your email box. So this was a very basic introduction to. If you want to know more about BIOSIS, or you're having trouble deciding what your keywords are, please feel free to stop by my office in Timken Science Library, or you can email me at jclemons@worcester.edu. Thanks.